Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन।
Om Birla, the three-time BJP MP, was elected as the Lok Sabha Speaker for the second time on Tuesday after defeating the Indie Bloc's candidate K. Suresh through a voice vote in a rare contest. Om Birla was all smiles as he occupied the Speaker's chair. The moment also witnessed PM Narendra Modi, Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju congratulating Speaker Birla while escorting him to the chair. Om Birla, NDA's nomination for the Lok Sabha Speaker post, was contesting against K. Suresh, India Alliance's nomination for the post. However, NDA's clear majority of 293 seats in the lower house compared to the Indie Bloc's 234 seats ascertained Birla's sliding victory towards his second term in the rare elections for the LS Speaker post. In his inaugural address, Birla said that he would follow the parliamentary decorum and hoped that no deadlocks but meaningful discussions would take place in upcoming sessions. Om Birla seized the opportunity to chastise the opposition when the latter tried to pin him by saying that he should give equal opportunity to the opposition in the parliament session, to which Birla replied that he has given enough opportunity to all the members to speak in the last 5 years.
हमारे छोटी पार्टियों की तरफ, छोटे कम्युनिटीज़ की तरफ, माइनॉरिटी की तरफ भी आप वही निगाह के साथ जैसे आप बड़ी पार्टियों को देंगे, हमारे आरक्षण भी आप करेंगे, हमें भी आप मौका देंगे और जितना पहले करते थे उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा करके प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी को आप जिंदा रखेंगे कि छोटी पार्टी चाहे होए, अकेला मेंबर चाहे होए, लेकिन लड़ाई उतनी ही तगड़ी होती है जितनी बड़ी पार्टियां लड़के शायद उससे ज़्यादा होती है।
पहले मौका नहीं
तो
दिया
लड़के
आपको?
जब इधर
पहले मौका नहीं दिया आपको?
सॉरी सर,
पहले मौका नहीं दिया गया आपको?
नहीं सर, इस बारी मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ कि पहले से थोड़ा ज्यादा मौका दे दीजिए,
ठीक है,
क्योंकि एक महिला होने के नाते चौथी बारी पहुंची हो, आप हमारा ध्यान रखेंगे तो मैं आपको शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ।
Congratulating the NDA nominee Om Birla for being elected, PM Narendra Modi stated he deems it a matter of honor that he has been elected to this chair for the second time. He further said that the entire house looks forward to the Speaker's guidance for the next 5 years during the Amrit Kal. Hailing Birla's role as a parliamentarian, Modi said that his work should be an inspiration for the new Lok Sabha members.
जो कार्य आजादी के 70 साल में नहीं हुए, आपकी अध्यक्षता में इस सदन ने इसको करके दिखाया। आदरणीय अध्यक्ष जी, लोकतंत्र की लंबी यात्रा में कई पड़ाव आते हैं। कुछ अवसर ऐसे होते हैं जब हमें कीर्तिमान स्थापित करने का सौभाग्य मिलता है। 17वीं लोकसभा में उपलब्धियां, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है देश आज भी और भविष्य में उसका गौरव करेगा।
The leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi also congratulated Om Birla on his election, urging him to rightfully defend the Constitution of India. We would like the House to function often and well, Rahul said.
Because sir, the opposition would like to assist you in doing your work. We would like the House to function often and well. Speaker sir, it is very important that cooperation happens on the basis of trust. It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this House.
His Indie Bloc ally and Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav echoed a similar stance, stating that the opposition expects that its voice will not be crushed and there would not be any more expulsions.
जिस पद पर आप बैठे हैं, इससे बहुत गौरवशाली परंपराएं जुड़ी हुई हैं और हम सब यही मानते हैं कि बिना भेदभाव के आगे बढ़ेगा और लोकसभा के अध्यक्ष के रूप में आप हर सांसद और हर दल को बराबरी का मौका और सम्मान देंगे। निष्पक्षता इस महान पद की महान जिम्मेदारी है। आप लोकतांत्रिक न्याय के मुख्य न्यायाधीश की तरह बैठे हैं। हम सबकी आपसे अपेक्षा है कि किसी भी जनप्रतिनिधि की आवाज़ दबाई न जाए और ना ही निष्कासन जैसी कार्रवाई दोबारा सदन की गरिमा को ठेस पहुंचाएं।
The fateful time of the emergency, which was announced by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in 1975, was also raised by the Speaker in the Lok Sabha. In his statement, Birla labelled the emergency as a dark chapter in India's history, where dictatorship was imposed by Gandhi, crushing the democratic values of the nation and strangling freedom of expression took place.